Hey guys, you're welcome back. We're live on Coinmarketcap, and I'm going to show you guys a full list of the NFTs that are currently here. So, guys, we missed out a lot, guys. It says includes legendary mons and 0.75 Ethereum. That was what we're giving out on the Intermon NFT giveaway. So this thing is really painful because I don't know, but it's really painful. I think the supply should be much that was there, but we didn't see the total number. So this one also sold out too. Price was 500 diamonds. So it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. So Coinmarketcap is a project you need to jump on. So the Coinmarketcap interactive NFT Bitcoin edition. You guys, because you don't know how much this stuff will sell for, it can sell for like $10,000 or maybe higher than that. So it's really painful. It's really painful. Even this one that went for 1,000 diamonds, it was sold out. It sold out immediately. So exclusive in-game battle NFT, dream card, diamond. So I don't know. Let's just see what. Let's just see this brief stuff. So he said Intermoon.io is the first NFT-based game that has both 2D and 3D play to end platforms and 150,000 registered players. You are guaranteed to win one of the 10,000 Moon NFTs to play in Intermoon's 2D and 3D play to earn game modes. Say 10 looking players will win a rare legendary Moon worth 0.75 Ethereum each. When you purchase this item, you will get a unique code. Please copy and paste the unique code. So this is it, but it's currently out of stock. I say Intermoons will be in the project website. Intermoons will be claimable on Intermoon from August 25th onwards. So that's about some days from now. So guys, that's the update. I'm coming. Let's go over to the next one. So guys, let's look at the next one here. Let's look at this CoinMarketCap interactive NFT Bitcoin edition. So I believe this one is going to be like great. It's going to be great because CoinMarketCap they give out the best. They don't just give out stuff. So this exclusive limited edition roguelike NFT allows you to stay on top of every significant Bitcoin price movement inside the server box. There are 5 types of rarity: common, rare, peak, special edition, and legendary. Each NFT has 3 states: moon, old, and food. If Bitcoin price is up more than 5% in the past 24 hours, the NFT will show the moon state, and vice versa. If the price has no significant change, then the NFT will appear as old. The state will refresh every 24 hours. All these NFTs will release more perks in the future. When you purchase this item, you get a unique code. Please paste and copy this unique code in the project's website. So they are going to give you access to the project website. So you see how beneficial this NFT is, and you can sell it, guys. You can get monetary values from this. Dreamcard Diamond NFTs. So there will be 100 unique codes to unlock the mystery box containing Dreamcard NFTs in the Dreamcard Coinmarketcap Diamond program. Dreamcard is the first TCG game released by Xworld Games that allows players to join the in-game battle and the on-chain expedition to win SWG tokens. Every unique code is designated to unlock one mystery box, including over 40 charming Dreamcard characters with 5 different elements. Once you have the unique code, please get in touch with us at marketing with your code and BSC wallet address. Please do not share your unique code with anyone to prevent false claiming. Dreamcard will use BEP 721 standards. Please make sure that the BSC address is provided. Once you receive your common cards, you could trade your common cards on our official marketplace or dispatch your cards to the expedition for more. So guys, you see, you can trade the cards. That's it, guys. So it's an opportunity. Then this one too is from, okay, we've talked about this in our previous post. This one, once you get up to 5,000 diamonds, you are good to go. This is safe stuff. Is a 386. Supply is still there, but most people have not be buying it. But I think it's something you guys can look into. And so these are the ones we've gotten so far. I've gotten engine diamonds in redeemed. Then Momo NFT. For Momo NFT says, if you have been lucky enough to obtain a key from the Coinmarketcap diamond, you can unlock a chest with the key. The NFTs have different qualities from common, uncommon, and rare. The Momo NFT, each Momo is minted on the blockchain, and it has a unique hash power at the time of minting. And according to the hash power, the Momos will mine stuff. So distribution events will be committed on a weekly basis. So I think we've talked about this earlier on. So guys, those are the full list. I think there are about 8 of them. So guys, don't forget to if you have any questions, you can jump on Coinmarketcap. Just collect your diamonds and you're good to go. Feel free to subscribe. Feel free to ask us any question and let us know in the comment section how we can assist you. Then I'll be dropping a link so you can get access to this. Hope these updates helpful to you. One love. You need to stay on Coinmarketcap so you can be getting updates on these airdrops that are these NFTs that have been loading. So those are the top list of NFTs that are there. So one love guys, your boy Keys.